Among the various skin problems, the one very common and prevalent nowadays is that of sun poisoning. The one important factor that can be associated with the problem is the harmful UV rays of the sun that lead to the crisis condition. In simple terms, it is not poisoning but a very extreme case of sunburn that a person experiences. This is usually caused by the ultraviolet rays, which results in complete inflammation of the skin. According to researchers, a person starts experiencing sunburn just after 15 minutes of exposure to the sunlight. However, the discomfort and inflammations does not show up immediately but only after a couple of hours. For those people who avoid wearing skin protection or using a good quality and high-level SPF content sunscreen can easily face sunburn and also sun poisoning in many cases. For those who have fairer skin and hair are more prone to the problem than others. The guide below helps you with the best treatments that you can use for the cure. Use them with a strict guideline and routine and see how well it helps in giving you visible outcomes. Various ways to treat sun poisoning. Stay away from the sun. One of the obvious and highly effective ways of treating sun poisoning is to stay away from the sun as much as possible. This should be followed with a strict rule if you do not want permanent damage to the skin. Also, do not step out in the sunlight until the problem is completely treated. The UV rays might make it all the more worse and cause sun poisoning in other areas of the skin as well.
Cool bath and compresses. Cool bath is highly recommended when it comes to the treatment of poisoning from the sun. However, there is a lot of difference between cool and cold, so try and maintain the water temperature accordingly. A cool bath twice daily will definitely help you in treatment procedure. On the other hand, cold compresses from an ice bag or in the form of cold water dipped clean towel can also be compressed on the affected area to find relief from the discomfort and the burning sensation. Following this remedy several times a day till the problem subsides is advisable for the cure.
Take in good amounts of fluids. Taking plenty of fluids for the next couple of days is recommended. That will flush away the inflammation on the skin. This not only includes 8-10 glasses of filtered water but also fresh fruits juices, herbal teas, coconut water and buttermilk. Try and have as much as fluids possible to ensure proper hydration of the skin and giving it a good reason to repair the skin cells and treat the sunburn and symptoms like vomiting, fever and chills that accompany the poisoning.
Keep it covered. The areas that have experienced sunburn should be kept covered if you do not want to worsen the condition of burns and poisoning on the skin. This is one of the effective tips that one should follow towards the direction of treatment. Make sure you use a clean and comfortable cloth to cover. Try and wear cotton clothes that help in passing of the air as well as keep the body comfortable in all conditions.
Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel has soothing and calming properties for the skin. This means that for situations and crises like sunburns and poisoning, this is one of the ideal natural products to be used. All you need is either aloe vera gel freshly extracted from the plant and gently massaged on the skin, or else use aloe vera lotions and creams available in the market for the same. Make sure you follow this home remedy on a routine basis to get visible results.
Moisturize it. Keeping the sun-poisoned area moisturized is one of the easy steps that you can adhere to when it comes to treatment process. This can be used as a good quality and organic moisturizer available in the market that suits your skin type and is completely free from chemicals, as well as in the form of 100% natural products like shea butter that can be used directly on the skin without any other ingredient. Moisturize the skin properly each day until the problem is totally cleared.
Yogurt application. A simple form of treatment as a home remedy for sun poisoning is the application of sugar-free and fat-free yogurt on the affected skin. This should be applied gently and left for about an hour before rinsing off. The cooling properties will help in curing the burn. Make sure you follow it every day until it is completely treated.
Vinegar wonders. In many cases, it has been found that diluting vinegar with water and using it to wash the sun-poisoned area each day slowly reduces the severity of the problem and gradually treats it completely. This is one of the simple and 100% safe ways to get rid of the burns and symptoms that accompany with it.
Green tea wash. Wash the area with freshly prepared and cooled green tea. The rich antioxidants properly and the benefit that it flushes out the toxins will definitely help you achieve the goals in a perfect manner. This should be done with due diligence until the problem subsides completely and your skin is back to normal. Following it twice every day is advisable.
Seek medical help. In case you have a very high fever and reaches up to about 104 degrees while suffering from sun poisoning, then the best treatment procedure is to visit a doctor. This is highly recommended without any delays. Extreme pain and extreme vomiting are also some of the reasons why you should adhere to professional help and medications as suggested. This is the only form of treatment that you can stick to when the situation goes out of hand.
Aspirin. To reduce the swelling as well as the inflammation on the skin because of sun poisoning, it is good if you adhere to an aspirin. This should however be consulted with a professional for the right dosage to avoid mishaps.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe for more videos. Bye!